Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your remote start in the 2024 Kia Niro. I have in front of me here an EX in Interstellar Gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the remote start button on your smart fob here, on this Niro, it happens to be on the edge here, and it's that hold button. In some of the other cars, it's on this side, but on this one, it's here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to hit the lock button. Within 4 seconds, we have to press and hold that hold button. I'm going to continue to hold it, and then you're going to see the lights are going to flash. Now, this is going to feel a little weird because this is a hybrid. It did start. Right now, it's running off of the hybrid battery. So if we take a little peek inside, I don't know if we can see it through some of the dusty dirty, but some of the electronics are on and running, and the climate control is going. When we're ready to get into the car, we can go ahead and hit unlock on your key fob, or we can press the black button on the outside of the door here and head inside. And as soon as we're in here, I have the key fob. We'll close the door and all of the rest of the electronics will turn on. Now it will remember what you last set the climate controls to. So I set this specifically just to make sure that it is gonna start with whatever I set it as. Now, I also noticed too, and this goes for the other vehicles, if you happen to have it on a different driver profile, so I'm going to go ahead and change that, and you'll see here that the climate's changed. If it was set to driver profile 2 and you remote started, it would remote start to their climate controls. And then if you had this last set to being the driver 1, of course it will have separate climate controls unless you set them the same, and it will come up and remote start with those climate controls. Now the vehicle will run for up to 10 minutes before it turns itself off in case you don't come out to it. And if you happen to, let's say, open like the back door, or you head into the trunk, but you've remote started it, but you haven't gone in to fully turn on the rest of the electronics yet, what it'll do is after about 20-30 seconds, then it will shut itself off just as a security measure because you didn't technically get in normally with the key fob for the rest of everything else to turn on so that you are ready to go. And if you wanted to cancel the remote start that you did, all you're going to do is just press that hold button again when you're outside the car, and it will go ahead and cancel the remote start for you. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.